Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to create this so pretty monochrome makeup look using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Now since I posted about it on my Instagram, you all wanted me to create a look using this palette, so here it is. Let's get started. So I'm first applying Versali Unicorn Essence all over my face as a primer, just massaging it into my skin. I love the glow it provides from within. And then I will be doing my eyes first, so for which I'm applying Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in shade Light Ivory all over my eyelid, setting it using some translucent powder. And then the star of the show, Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I picked up Risk and I packed it all over my eyelid the way you see I am doing it. And then to buff it out in my crease, I picked up Doll Face, and using a Sigma blending brush, I am just buffing in the shade Doll Face in the edges of Risk, just to diffuse the color out. Then picking up Bubbly, I highlighted my brow bone, and for my inner corners I picked up Pink Diamond and applied it in my tear duct area. To finish up the eye look, I then applied Eldora False Lashes in M115 and the eye look is done. Yes, that's how freaking easy it is. To tightline my eyes, I'm using Sigma Wicked Gel Liner so that no skin shows through my lashes. It spoils the whole look. And then moving on to my face, I'm applying Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in shade Latte all over my face. And for my under eye area, to just hide those Prada bags, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in Light Ivory, the one that I used as an eyeshadow base. It's an amazing concealer. It's a drugstore concealer, but it gives you such a beautiful finish underneath your eyes. So beautiful, filtered under eyes, seriously. Then I'm setting everything in place. I'm rather gonna bake my under eye area using Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know it's my favorite. To carve out my face, I'm going to use Colourpop Femme Rose Her Face palette. Picking up the bronzer from the palette, I am applying it onto the areas where I like to contour, just to add the color back onto my face. And yeah, of course, give a shape to my potato face. And then picking up Suede from the Remastered palette. It's such a gorgeous cool tone brown shade that works amazingly as a contour. So I like to contour using that shade. I am applying it on the areas where I like to carve out my face and hide those fat bags. And then moving on to my lower lash line, I'm first picking up Doll Face, buffing it onto my lower lash line, and then intensifying the lower lash line using the shade Risk, which I had, packed onto my lids, all over my lids. Yeah. So both the shades are buffed onto my lower lash line, and then I fill in my waterline using the gel liner by Sigma called Wicked, and then buffing Black Truffle and smudging the coal that the gel liner that I have filled in my waterline, just to give myself a more Arabic smoky eye effect on my lower lash line only. Then for my lashes, I coated them using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's my favorite. Again, I always go back to it, even though I have so many mascaras. For the apples of my cheeks, I'm picking up the blush from the same Colourpop face palette and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And for the highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty Killawatt Highlighter Duo and picking up Hustler Baby and applying it on the highest points of my face. Now, I don't know what to say about this highlighter. This is like so amazing. You can see how freaking glowy my face looks. It doesn't look like, chalky or anything. It gives a very beautiful skin-like finish. So if you get a chance to invest in it, go ahead. You're not gonna regret it. It's amazing. After highlighting my face, I'm moving on to my lips, for which I'm using NYX Cosmetics Powerpuff Lippy in shade Moody, which matches my eyes. And then to finish up the look, I'm spraying Fix Plus all over my face and dabbing the sponge onto my skin just to melt everything together. And with that, the whole look is done. You can wear it on Christmas, you can wear it on New Year's, you can wear it to an Indian wedding. That's how versatile this look is, and it's so easy to create, you just saw. So if you like this look, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.